Hello and a hello. Welcome to Talking About Cars. I'm your host, Razmig, and today we're going to talk about cars. Let's take our first caller. Hello and hello. You're on Talk About Cars.
Hey, how are you?
Good. How are you?
Not so good. My car won't start.
Huh.
I don't know what it could be.
Well, it sounds a lot like it might be broken.
Okay, and what should I do about that?
You could probably get it fixed.
You kidding me? You know what? I hate you. Your show sucks. Your beer sucks. Your jacket sucks.
Well, hey, at least my car still works.